purchase price of a steel building is influenced by both direct and external or indirect factors. As a commodity, steel is subject to a variety of external factors that can dramatically change the price of this raw material, sometimes even overnight. At its core, supply and demand will ultimately determine the price of steel. Demand is driven by things like the economy and construction spending, while supply is influenced by events such as natural disasters, tariffs, and the value of the dollar. Keeping an eye on these factors can help you buy your building at the right time. Steel buildings are typically sold as a base building package, which includes the primary and secondary framing as well as the roof and wall sheeting. From there, the buyer can pick from a menu of hundreds of components such as doors, windows, and insulation. All of these customization options will ultimately increase the cost of the building package. The codes and loads required to engineer the building successfully for the location where it will be built is another direct cost factor. For example, a building engineered to withstand heavy snow loads or resist strong winds will cost more than a building designed to be built in a region with a more temperate climate. To learn more about how steel buildings are engineered differently for unique locations, continue on to the next video in our Steel Buildings 101 series.